Hot day and your AC makes a weird noise. It's stressful, sure, but it's also trying to tell you something.
Believe it or not, your AC is talking to you. So let's decode those messages and figure it out.
First up, that electrical buzzing sound. It's super common and usually means a part is about to fail.
This often pops up after a power surge. It's basically a weak part screaming for help.
And trust me, ignoring this buzz is a really expensive mistake. Let's check out the numbers. If you catch it early while it's just buzzing, it's a pretty minor fix. A small investment, really.
But if you wait, you could be looking at some serious, and I mean serious damage to the big parts.
Okay, but a grinding sound? That's a whole different story. This one is way more urgent. Yeah, this isn't just a warning. It's a full-blown alarm. Something inside has probably already broken.
Seriously, if you hear this, go shut the whole thing down. Right now. At the breaker.
So how do you make the call? What do you do? Well, think of this as your personal AC triage chart. It's pretty simple. A smooth hum, you're good. A buzz, time to investigate. A grind, shut it down. And let's bust a myth right now. That buzzing sound, it's almost never about refrigerant. It's electrical. Okay, so you know the sound and you know it's urgent. What's next? Here's your action plan. Giving your technician these details, it helps them figure it out way faster. That saves you time and money. See, this whole thing turns that panic into a solid, confident plan. So what's the big takeaway? It's this simple rule. It protects your comfort, your system, and yeah, your wallet. You're in control.
So you've cracked the code on your AC? Makes you wonder, what else is your home trying to tell you?